Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to automatically enable dark mode for your Android phone keyboards. So for this guys, to use this feature you need to have the Google keyboard on your phone. If you don't have Google keyboard, so you can download it from the Google Play Store. So nowadays guys, in all smartphone the Google keyboard is coming by default in all phones. So for this guys, first you need to launch the keyboard on your phone like this, and then here in the toolbar menu of your keyboard you can get settings gear icon. So if you are not showing that settings gear icon, so at that time what you need to do, you need to tap and hold the comma icon from your keyboard, and from here just drop it on your settings menu like this. Okay, so it will open the Google keyboard settings as you can see guys. Now what you need to do, you need to open the themes from here, okay, like this, and here you can get the option system auto. So just need to select this option, okay, from here. So what happened guys, so if you have already enabled the automatically dark mode, auto dark mode on your phone, so the system setting will automatically apply to your Google keyboard also, okay, as you can see guys, and then just tap on apply button. That's it. Okay, now it will automatically enable and disable the dark mode following your system settings. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.